Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you a super fun and practical feature. How to change outfits in your photos with AVCLabs PhotoPro AI. You can instantly test different clothing styles on your photo, from casual to business to elegant gowns, and see which look fits you best. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Open AVCLabs PhotoPro AI and import the photo you want to edit. Step 2. Choose Replace feature and select the clothes area using Object Selection tool. Step 3. Type in what you want, for example, black elegant evening dress. Step 4. Click Apply and waiting for a while. The AI will instantly transform your outfit. If you are not satisfied with the result, just try a new prompt until you get the perfect look. And that's it. Very easy and interesting. Try AVCLabs PhotoPro AI today and explore your style freely. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.